Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to test and replace the temperature control thermostat on a Frigidaire freezer. The temperature control thermostat regulates the internal temperature of the freezer so it stays at the correct level for keeping food frozen. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, take a second to hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to see more videos to help you tackle all your home appliance repairs. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. All we need today is a Phillips head screwdriver, a Flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter. And don't forget that safety comes first. Always disconnect your freezer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Ready? Let's jump in. The temperature control thermostat, or as it's sometimes called a cold control, regulates the temperature inside the freezer. There's a long tube called a capillary tube that comes out of the control and regulates the temperature through contraction and expansion. A liquid inside the hollow tube will expand when it's warm and push the switch contacts together. When the temperature cools down, the liquid contracts and the contacts will open, shutting the power off to the compressor and fans. Now, over a period of time, this contact will become corroded and fail. Sometimes it won't shut off, but other times it may fail in an open position and not turn on at all. Let me show you how you can check the control with a multimeter. On this specific model, the control is located behind the evaporator cover. We need to remove the lower shelves and then use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws at the top of the cover, the ones at the bottom, and the two on the sides of the panel. Then pull the cover out and forward. There's a styrofoam cover that needs to be removed to access the connectors on the control. You'll need to pull the two wires off of the terminals, then set your multimeter to continuity mode. Use the leads to check across the two terminals. With the freezer probably being warm, there should be continuity and your meter should beep, which means the switch is closed. If there's no continuity, the control is defective and will need to be replaced. To replace the temperature control thermostat, you'll need to remove the control dial. Push in on the two clamps that hold the timer in place. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the single screw that holds the capillary tube that's connected to the tube holder. Then remove the green ground wire. You should be able to remove the control itself. Here's the old temperature control thermostat, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Carefully bend the end of the capillary tube so that it fits into the groove of the tube holder. You don't want to break it. There's a liquid inside, so if you break it, it's toast and won't work. Install the screw to secure it, then install the green ground wire. Now you can install the two plugs to the terminals. They can go to either terminal. We need to snap the clamp into the evaporator cover and put the styrofoam cover over the thermostat. Now you can put the knob back on. There are also two rubber seals that fit on each side of the panel. Then position the evaporator cover into place and secure it with the Phillips head screws. Once you reinstall the shelves, you're done. Don't forget to plug your freezer back in or turn that breaker back on. Great job, and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. If you haven't gotten a new temperature control thermostat yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. While you're at it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you next time.